What's up, YouTube? Welcome to KICKnology. I'm your boy Truth, and today is a video where a lot of people have been trying to convince me to purchase a sneaker. And it's a silhouette, and I haven't ever purchased this silhouette ever in my life. For my own reasons. I'm gonna share those reasons with you guys today, and it's different than what you hear about everybody else. I'm not buying into the hype. It's just my personal preference. You know my saying, rock what you like, not what's hype. And this is just my thoughts and my opinion. So I kind of want to bring you guys into my brain, how I think, and the reason why I haven't purchased this shoe. Now, if you've been watching any other lives, you know D Reed, Wyatt, my Keek Sick, Jordan, Jumpman Eric. You know, they have been, Keeks for Fresh, they have been talking to me about Jordan 1 mids. And I don't own any mids. Everything that you see behind me are literally Jordan 1's highs. I've never purchased a mid. I had the Greats in my cart. I purchased 3 of them. I canceled all those orders. If I knew they was going to sell the way that they sell, I wouldn't have canceled it. I had the Mason Chateau in my cart, and I canceled that. I went after the Melody Asanes, the Jordan 1s. I didn't hit on them, but those are specifically going to be literally just for resale. And a lot of the other Jordans, you know, these bread toes, black toes, whatever they are, I'm not the type of person to go after a shoe just to, so I can preserve another and just rock this one. You know what I'm saying? If I buy them, I rock them. So just to let you guys know, disclaimer, the Jordan 1s you see behind me, I wear my Jordan 1s. It's not for special occasions. It's not for certain times. These are the shoes that I literally wear. It doesn't matter. I rock my Jordan 1s. They don't hurt my feet. Maybe I got weird feet, but a lot of people say they hurt them. They're uncomfortable. I know the last documentary, the Last Dance documentary, Jordan said that his feet were bleeding. I mean, he was playing basketball in this shoe, bro. That's totally different. Just for lifestyle, everyday wear, they don't hurt my feet. You know what I'm saying? They're actually very comfortable. So today I have an unboxing for you guys. As you guys can see, let's look over here. I have a ton of shoes that I need to unbox. I just been so busy. I got a couple of shirts. I've been very busy, so you guys make sure you turn on your notification bell. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be dropping a lot of content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get up in the shoe. This video is gonna be very quick. So as you can see here, we got that black and gold Jumpman, that Jordan box, and this one is a size 11.5, and this is an Air Jordan 1 Mid SE, and the color is white, laser orange, and green. You know what I'm saying? So these shoes, they dropped on Foot Locker at East Bay randomly about, this is an impulse buy. I'm going to tell you guys, this is strictly an impulse buy. But I just wanted to see, you know what, maybe if I got this shoe in, I would actually want to keep it. So go ahead and look at the shoe with you guys. So as we open up the box, as you guys see here, you got the white and gold 23 paper. And as we peel that paper back, we have the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. And apparently SE is supposed to be better quality. SE Lucky Green Laser Oranges is what I'm going to call them. But anyway, there you go, man, as you guys can see. So my first initial thoughts on this shoe is that, man, I'm still sticking with what I've always felt about mids. Just the cut of them are extremely weird to me. I don't know if it's because of the having the high OG ones and wearing them so much. The Jordan 1 mids, and I know a lot of people say it's not that big of a difference. Let me grab a green one. But it really is, people. For me, it really is. So as you guys can see here, this is the mid. Look at the height difference. Look at the cut. That is a big difference in my opinion. And the quality is always better on the Jordan 1s. Even the ones that we feel like the quality are not that great, in my opinion, they are always better than the mids. And I'm not knocking anybody like mids. Hey, get what you like. I'm just telling you guys my reasons for not purchasing mids. My thing is, if I'm gonna pay $130 for a mid, I'm just gonna go ahead and pay the $190 and get the one that I want, or I will wait until they drop a colorway that I want and I'm gonna get it. Like I said, I rock my shoes. I don't buy some just to beat them down. If I'm gonna beat down a shoe, it's gonna be the one that I wanted to pay the money for. That's just the way I am. You always hear the sayings when you talk about Jordan 1 mids. They always say, well, for the price point, the quality is good. Oh, this is the best quality on the Jordan 1's mids that we've seen. They're getting better with the colorways. This, and this. But regardless, in my opinion, it is still not as good as the high OGs. It might be some out there, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, the Mason Chateaus were unique. They were different. The quality was good on those. The Melody Asanes was good. That was a collaboration. You know, I'm not saying that it's not any out there that's not, quality is not A1. But what I'm saying is, for the most part, you know what you're going to get with the high OG ones compared to these. And just on my feet, I tried on a pair of mids one time in my whole life. And just on my feet, they look weird. But maybe they look like, maybe that's just perception of me, because I do like the high OG ones better. So anyway, as you guys see the 360 view on the screen of this shoe, we have the laser orange in the lucky green colorway. We got the Air Jordan Wings logo, and you know what I'm saying, I feel like the color blocking is nice on the shoe. I just feel like the material was executed poorly, and this should have been a high, to be honest with you. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at it. So starting with the toe box, as you guys can see, this is actually like a starter jacket. You know, back in the day, those starter jackets, you know what I'm saying? That's what it's like. And then the leather is not bad. I mean, it's not bad leather, but it's not the greatest either. You got the green bottom. And then the Nike check is the same material as it is on the toe box. Going all the way up, going all the way around. This is more of a kind of like a nubuck, but it's like a hard nubuck or suede, you know what I'm saying? Different material, same thing with the green along the top of the shoe. The tongue, you got there with the Jordan Jumpman logo. I am adamant about having the Nike Air on it, like I said, because I'm an OG guy, and I like that on the shoe. I feel like it gives it a little bit of flair, but it's just a patch, and then you got the little stitching, the triangle stitching across the top. You got the Wings logo in that laser orange, and then just going all the way around the shoe, man. So like I said, man, it's not a bad pickup. I don't think any other laces came with it. Let me see. No other laces came with it that I can see. Just the black ones, but I mean, you could lace swap it. It'll probably be dope. But yeah, man, you guys let me know what you think about this shoe. If you got this shoe, they're not reselling for much. I think it's basically retail you can get them for. But honestly, these will be going back to Foot Locker for somebody that actually wants the shoe. Like I said, it was just an impulse buy, and I just wanted to review them for you guys to hear my reasons why I don't like them. So what it really boils down to is that I just prefer the highs, and if I'm gonna pay the money, I'm not gonna pay $130 for this one when I like the other silhouette. Like I said, I'm not that type of person that I just buy shoes just to preserve another one. If I buy my shoes, I'm gonna wear my shoes. So I would just rather wait it out, wait for it to retro again, and get it in the high silhouette instead of a mid. But hey, it is some dope colorways out there in mids. Some people rock them right. They put the nice fits with them and all those great things, so salute to them. But for me and my bow-legged, pigeon-toed feet, I'm gonna stick with my highs. Comment below and let me know why you prefer, if you prefer mids, highs, or lows, and tell me the reason why, man. It's no right or wrong answer to it. It's just preference, and that's what's good about this sneaker culture, is that we have our preferred shoes, silhouettes, and options, man. So let me know down in the comment section. It's your boy Truth. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man, and remember, the shoes behind me, the shoe we just talked about, it's just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gone.
Synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got truth, never slack on the fruit.